All right, so let's go to our product page. So inside our source, we have our pages and then product. Okay, this is our single product page, and then we have our product top section, right? Okay. So yeah, so we are setting up our attributes, and based on our attributes, we are giving them, we are updating our price, discount type, stock, and everything. So now we have to work on our add to cart functionality, right? So this is our add to cart button. So first of all, let's see what we have to actually add to our Redux store. Then we will move on from there, right? Okay, so if I go to our deploy side, let's see how we are handling our store. Okay, let's give it some time. Okay, let's add one. Okay, so for our cart, we'll of course need the thumbnail, and our price will need the quantity, and we'll also need the attribute, right? So which attribute you're selecting, and we'll also need the title of the product. So, and we'll also need the shipping cost. So I think that's all the data we'll need. We do not have to store like the whole data of our product, because our product contains a lot of data, because the user is already selecting all the attributes. So we can just store the selected attribute, and based on that we can find the product price and everything. So in this case, let's see what we have to store then. Okay. Let's add a function here first. On click, we will say handle add to cart. Okay. Let's define it here. Okay, we won't need any parameters, because everything we are setting up in our in our state, like the price and everything. So we will not need anything like that. Okay. So what will we actually need? So let's take the initial data, what will we need to add to our card. So I will just take an object. In this case, we'll need the price, right? So we'll say price, and the price is already, we have that as our state. If we move up here, so this is the price. So we know that whenever the user clicks on the add to cart, right? So the user, we already have our attributes selected, our price and everything selected. So whenever the users clicks on add to cart, we are sure that we will have the updated price and everything in our states. Like our price will have the updated price, discount type, and everything. They will have the updated price and updated data. Sorry, the users selected data. So we can just say price, and then for the, okay, then what else will we need? We'll need the title, our price, quantity, and our attribute. Okay. Okay, then we have our thumbnail, which will be product dot thumbnail. So this product is the product that we are getting as props here. Okay. So we'll take the thumbnail from here, and then we'll take the name of the product. That will be product dot name, and then we'll need the attributes. We'll take the attributes, like the selected attributes the user has selected. And then we'll
Now,
need the slug,
now
the product slug. Yes.
can you just increase the font size?
Oh, sorry, my bad. Is it okay now?
Jannatul, is it okay?
Sorry, guys. I usually work with a small font size.
Okay.
Okay. Should I continue?
Yeah, you can continue. Yeah, she confirmed.
Okay.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So I will get the product dot slug also, and then we'll have to get the ID, like the product ID. So I'll say product ID, because whenever we'll try to go to checkout, we'll of course need the product's ID, because that's how we'll our backend will have handle everything, the database connection with our product. So of course we'll need the ID. So I'll say product dot underscore ID, and then we'll take the shipping. I think we are getting a shipping with our product. Let's console log product. Okay, let's see what we are getting. Getting gallery variations. Uh, Categories. Okay, here we have our shipping cost, because if we want to add everything, add to cart functionality, we'll need the shipping cost when you go to checkout and everything. So for shipping, I will say product dot shipping. Okay, and initially is available. We'll say true. Okay, so this is our item, right? So let's see what we get from our item when we click on our add to cart button. Okay, if I click on add to cart, let's say the quantity. Oh, we'll also need the quantity, right? So let's take, wait. Okay, we'll take quantity, and let's click on the button. Okay, so let's see what we get here. So if you're confused about how I'm getting everything here, I'm using the extension called Console Ninja. If you come here, this one by wallaby.js. So if you install this extension in your VS Code, you'll be able to see the consoles inside your in your code. You can just hover over it and you'll be able to see it. And with Next.js 14, actually the free service of Console Ninja is not available for each product. So based on your project, maybe it will be difficult, like different for you. Like some projects, Console Ninja doesn't really work, but if you're working with React, it should work most of the cases. Okay, so what are we getting? We are getting the price, we are getting the thumbnail, our name, and our attributes, and we have our slug, product ID, shipping available, available is true, and our quantity is 1. But we do not want attributes, like we want the selected attribute. So how can we get the selected attributes? We need the selected variant, right? So selected variant. Okay, what are we getting actually? Where is the function? We are getting name color value blue and name size value is okay. Okay, we are getting the right thing. So we are getting the attributes with the key and the value also. Okay, then we are good. And maybe we are also getting tags with each of our products. Let's check out. Not this one, this one. Okay, we have our tags. So I think we should directly calculate the tax whenever we are setting it up in our cart instead of just adding the object. So let's see what is the type of tax actually. It is a flat tax, so I think the tax type is also similar to percent. We can have percentage flat, percentage tax type. It can be percentage or flat. So I think we have to take into account both cases. So in this case, what I will do, I'll come here and I'll write if product dot tax dot tax type is equals to flat. If it is flat, then what we have to do is uh, we can just add the tax. Okay, I'll just add the text as a number. Like instead of deducting it from the price, I'll just add the text separately. Then we'll do the deducting part in our whenever we are checking out or we are showing the cart. Okay, so I will add another property to our item object. That will be item dot text equals to text dot product dot text dot value. I think, yeah, value. Text dot value. But if it is not flat, the text type isn't flat, we'll say else item dot text. In this case, item dot text would be we'll have to calculate it. So I'll say math dot floor to so that we get a number. And then I'll say product. So it will be a percentage of the product, right? So if it is not a flat tax, it will be a percentage tax. So this percentage is the percentage of product's price. So we have to calculate that. So we'll say product dot price and we'll minus the tax. Sorry. Do we have to minus the tax? No. Yeah, so we cannot say product dot price. We have to say price because we have to remember our price changed based on attributes. So we'll say price minus sorry, if it is our text, then product dot flow product price. Okay, so we'll say product dot price into product dot text dot value by 100. Okay, just okay, we got it. Now let's check what we are getting as our text. So if I click on add and check here, okay, so we have got text 5. So it is a flat text, so that's why we got 5 here. All right, and then we also have to take into account if we have any discount. So I don't think we managed the discount here. Uh, yeah. So we have to set the discount in our cart also. So in here I will say if discount is greater than 0, right? That means if the product even have any discount, right? So remember we are setting up the discount from our to our state based on our product attribute, like this one. Okay, so based on our attribute, we are getting the selected variant from our product. each of the variants it can be any of the variants, and then we are taking the discount from there and setting up in our state. So our discount state will already have the updated discount, so we can just work with that. So if there is even any discount, and if discount type is equals to flat, right, then we can say item dot price. We'll have to reduce the discount with from our price, right? So for that we can just say price minus discount. Okay, simple. And else we'll say item dot price will be price minus, we'll do math dot floor, and this time it will be price into discount by 100. So if it is a percentage discount, we are just minusing whatever the discount comes as percentage. So now this price will be updated. So as you can see, we are updating the item dot price. That means we are directly updating this item, right? So the initially the price will be regular price, but if it has any discount, then we will calculate the discount and we will also add the tax. Now let's check what we are getting as our item in the cart. So if I click on it, let's increase the amount so that we can check if it is actually working. Okay, we have got 8. The quantity should be 8, right? Okay, so we have got price 48, attributes, and quantity is 8, tax is 5. Okay, great. So our initial price was 48 because we have 5% off. Okay, uh, we have 5% off already. So, oh right. So initially the price is 50, right? So then if we consider the 5% off, then it becomes 48. Okay, great.